We're at the point where we're at the point right now where we want your input.
All right.
See what we're doing here. Where'd you just come from?
Radiation.
Last day?
One more day. Yeah, one more day. One more day.
Round?
Then I'm done.
How's your arm?
It's all right.
What?
Yeah, I did finish the last round of chemo last night, but one more round of radiation one tomorrow.
Your arm is looking way better.
Yeah, it's good.
You can pick stuff up now?
Little things.
That's awesome, dude. So.
Oh, look at that front accessories.
Yeah.
All that wiring.
Yeah, so we're trying to see like what do we want to do?
Because so for the injectors we have these little pigtails that hook on a Holly harness, which obviously that's not gonna look very pretty in your car. So we gotta figure out something to do with that. And we could probably run it maybe through the valley and out the intake manifold. But it's really just kind of, or we could like repin all this and make it really pretty. So I mean, we kind of just gotta figure that out now.
And also trying to think about the coils and stuff. But I mean, we call Ron or maybe Dave.
Yeah, see what Dave did on his truck, because he just built one of these. See what he did with the coils.
But we have the Motion Raceworks Steam Kit, which is absolutely cool.
That is awesome.
Goes here. Doug hooked us up with that. So you said, hey, he wanted to be on board. He was stoked to send that and a catch can. So that's gonna look good. But yeah, I guess we can see if he picks up.
That's awesome.
See if he picks up. Yo, what's up? Kristian's here, man.
Hey, Dave. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Yeah. Hey.
I have to start charging Charlie for this stuff. Over the phone is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for all your help, man. Appreciate it.
So we have some questions on the way things fit. Like, what are we doing? What is the injector harness?
And the coils. What'd you do on your truck?
I did a lot on my truck. See, this makes it extremely hard to do this over the phone. Because now you gotta hold the phone up and make me look at things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right.
It'd be so much easier if it was there.
Right?
It would be.
You want me to get you a ticket?
Hey,
Yeah,
just
get him a ticket. Oh, we'll fly you out.
What the?
Oh man.
They got you, didn't they? How are you?
I'm good,
Don't
man.
make us awkward.
Oh, all right.
You good?
Yeah. I only got the one hand, man.
I'm glad I could come out and help, man.
Jason Wheeler.
This is my crew guy, Jason Wheeler.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Good. We're trying to get munch done as much as we can.
That's awesome. Good to see you guys out
I'm
here.
glad we can come out and help.
Yeah, well, we're gonna
amazing.
see what we can get on this thing. Figured nobody else better than have Dave out here, huh?
Right?
Yeah. The Collins said they had all the parts.
They don't.
It was close. It was close.
We got close, man.
But yeah,
For sure.
we're headed in the right direction, anyways.
And he got movement back in his right hand, so maybe we go back to the 256 almost.
No, not yet.
Don't change now. Don't change now.
You want to hang out for a little bit since he's actually here and
Yeah.
start throwing this thing together?
Yeah, let's see what happens here.
Yeah? All right.
What do you think? You excited?
I'm, yeah.
All right, so we have something we need to show Kristian really quick. This thing came in a pinch. Daddy Dave actually got on with IceBox Performance, and we needed an intercooler that's going to be able to hold this horsepower. They knocked it out of the park. You guys got to see this. Oh, and you got to see it.
I gotta see this. Oh. Oh my God. Is it gonna fit?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
It fits absolutely perfect. Here, go on that side.
Vertical flow?
Yep. Vertical flow. So go in there. This will go behind that light and you get that.
IceBox really got that going.
That
Wow.
thing is massive.
That is so massive.
So between Ilk Fab deciding how it's going to look, where it was going to go, and what it's going to do, obviously it's not going to sit this high.
Right.
Obviously these inlets go into the holes here, but this thing is 3,000 horsepower capable. It should be just fine, and there'll be no lag because of this split.
That's amazing. Beautiful fabrication.
So when Charlie reached out to me about coming out here, it's been about a month or so. We've been battling back and forth with schedules and filming and trying to get out here to do this. When we finally set the date, he picked us up from the airport.
So I'm gonna go pick up Jeff Lutz right now and Lutz Jr. And Kristian has no idea. He's at the shop and they're gonna film some skit, some call out or something, I guess. And in reality, I'm not at the bank. I went to go get Jeff. We already had this all planned, but he had this master idea of, man, why don't we get Jeff involved? Little does he know, Jeff is involved and will be in the car momentarily. Love you, Kristian.
And he was watching in the shop on his phone. Kristian was here and he wanted Kristian to call me and ask if I would be interested or if we would be interested in doing the fabrication. And I was, oh, that'd just be awesome. And I told him, I said, hey, I may lose it when I walk into the building because the last time I talked to Kristian on the phone, I couldn't hold it together. So I said it ought to be pretty cool, and I'd absolutely love to surprise the shit out of him.
He has no clue you're here. Or you.
I can't wait. That's gonna be badass.
Right?
Yep.
And the edit, the video, I mean, he has no clue.
Who you got to do the headers?
We're talking about Ilk Fab and
Yeah. You know, Jeff Lutz is a good friend.
be cool.
Call him up. Right now?
Yeah, call him, see if he'll do it.
What's happening, man?
How are you, sir? How you been?
Doing all right. Big question is, how are you?
You know, I'm hanging in there. Hey, I wanted to ask you a quick question. You know, Speed Society doing this car for me.
Yeah.
Taking a look at it.
Yep, I did see it.
How'd you feel about coming out? If I fly you out and you want to do some of the header work, the hot side, cold side. Do you have any time?
Time, I don't know, but absolutely, I'd love to. Let me, when are you thinking, like right away?
Not sure. No, I just wanted you to, I think it'd be awesome for you to be part of this, and
Oh, I'd love to be, you know that, hell yeah.
all right. We can take a look at some timing or something, and I can get you out here.
Okay.
That'd be awesome. Yeah.
Yep, let me look at the schedule. Are you gonna be around? I'll call you back here shortly. I'll try to figure out my schedule, maybe we can get out there right away.
That's awesome. Appreciate it, man.
Oh, all right, buddy, I will talk to you, bud.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
All right, bye.
Wow, that's cool.
live.
That's pretty rad.
Wow.
So when we walked in to surprise Kristian, it was absolutely amazing. I almost lost it, I almost cried, and it's just emotional for us, and I know he felt the same way.
Yeah, it was definitely an emotional moment.
And you know, when he turned around, I stood right behind him. When he turned around, you could tell he was just at a loss for words.
Who are you calling?
Jeff Lutz.
Yeah.
What? You're kidding me. Are you kidding me?
Here, buddy. Ready to get this thing off.
You might have to chop that up one way or another, but yeah.
Oh, man. So I guess we can actually get to work now,
Oh my God.
For you?
Yeah.
Oh, this looks badass.
Yeah.
It means a lot. It means a lot that Charlie wanted us here for this, and it means more to do that for him. So this is how we start our header build. You know, we cut a couple 90s up, start getting where we need to be. The crucial part of this deal is going to be getting the 3-inch exhaust back down between the header and the firewall, so we're gonna do some pretty crazy bends right out of the head, and this is the start of it right now. Okay, so what the game plan is I'll bring this one out over, around to the side. These two are gonna come up high and wrap around. Then we have enough room for this 3-inch exhaust to go down in this hole right here. So that's gonna be the trick. All right, Jeffrey, go ahead and mark that. So this is the start of our header build for Kristian's Cancer Build Camaro. This is how we start it right here. This will end up going right here, just like that. So Junior's gonna weld it up, we'll tack it to the collector and the head, and we'll start the next one. Bring this one out and feed it right here.
I think you oughta.
Ooh, I could do that and go under.
Yeah.
That would be cool. What do you think of that, Kristian?
Duplicate it on the other side?
Yeah, absolutely. Dude, you're not gonna be able to tell right from left here.
OG, baby.
This is called test fit.
Test fit.
You just don't hit the turbo.
There I got.
Shit. What? Turbo. Right?
Beautiful.
Right?
Boom. Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
Perfect, don't I?
like a glove.
Like a glove.
It really does.
Okay. Get that look on Charlie's face.
Look at that. It works.
It works.
Look at that. Throttle body clears too, boys.
So Junior's finishing up welding the exhaust. You know, we only use stainless works material. It's made in the U.S. They are like family to us. We've always used them for over 20 years. And it's a great material. It's a little bit thicker. We don't ever have them crack. You know, in the early years when I raced, I always had the welder in the trailer and I'd be welding everybody's headers up, and I never figured out why. Well, they use thinner material and it's no good. So we've become, like I said, family with stainless works over the years, and it's some of the best material out there. And that's why we use it. So it's been a long 4 days. You know what? We finally got the car done, and you know, it's heartfelt for us. Like I said, Kristian's like family, and you know, I want to take the time to thank not only Speed Society, Charlie, he's one of my friends. You know, Precision Turbo come on board, Stainless Works, Holly, you know, Wade from Race Parts Solutions. Just it's a collective effort, you know, from the people that Speed Society have brought on board, and what we brought on board, and what Daddy Dave has brought on board. We're able to complete this build, and you know what, Kristian, we love you. I hope you enjoy the shit out of this. We poured our heart and soul into it. We hope you enjoy it, man.
Beat the crap out of it.
So Lutz just got done here. The car is absolutely amazing. It's the most one-off wild turbo kit I've ever seen.
Yeah. It's a work of art.
it's a work of art. It's an insane work of art. I mean, just the way it came together, and then having Kristian, it's his favorite fabricator, and coming here and giving him that surprise. But hold that thought. You'd think we're getting it running right now, but we have another surprise, and Kristian doesn't know yet. But we have to take everything out of this car. We got to get a little bit of a seat mod done and some other things that some other guys stepped up for. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Absolutely make sure you like, subscribe, give a shout out, share.
So we just got the car back from Alex from meter resurfacing, and oh boy, do we have problems.